Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to earn money on Adobe. So make sure you watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we need just to go to Adobe Stock where we can sell our images. So all you need to do is to go to your browser and just type Adobe Stock and you will be able to go to the Adobe website. You click on it and basically you will need just to create an account and log in to it. After that, here we can see the marketplace or the stock marketplace for Adobe Stock. Then you will need just to go to sell. And here we can sell all the images that you want. So you can see here there are many illustrations, many images, vectors, and you can sell many images that you would be good. So basically you will need just to go to sell and then this is our dashboard and basically we will need just to upload on the header. Here we will find this upload button where we will be able to upload our images. You click on upload and here you will need just to see all these requirements and basically you will need just to drop files or click on browse and search for your images. So let's for example search for some images and after you choose any image that you would like you will need just to specify some informations. So here you will find the file type. Of course, it is a photo, it's not an illustration. The category, you can choose landscape and you can add any other things. Here you can start adding some uh, title. For example, this is just like uh, for tutorial. This is a Rick and Morty picture and you can start adding some keywords like landscape, nature, sky, summer, everything that is very in the accurately describing your picture and then you will need just to save the work and basically we will need just to finish everything else. So let's just go back and here you can just do no because if there are some recognizable people or property you will need just to have some consent. So basically after that you will need just to click on submit one file. Here it will be reviewed and then if it's accepted you can be able to sell it and you will earn money on Adobe. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.